We want to talk about prick and toto. Today when we want to talk about prick and toto, it go shock you say the information where I get for una go teach una how to last long for the other room and how to make bola strong. In case you want last like Methuselah on top bekus and you want learn how to make bekus bring up plenty water like say the woman get mommy water where they hide inside the bekus. Now I have information for you. Who ready to learn how to make bekus bring up plenty water? Who ready? Oh? Okay, right now, take notes. I want to tell you now, say when it comes to knacking, the first thing you're supposed to do now to update the woman with happiness. You know how they update woman with happiness? Credit alerts. Credit alerts. He not be threat, my brother. Credit alert. My brother, if you credit your woman, even if you've been married for 20 years, whether me they practice or not they practice, it no matter. But I make you go practice. I want put you for Zeba level as in talk. Okay? Now, take note. If you feel credit your woman, and you could tell and say, I was just thinking of you. And I'm just grateful about being with you. How privileged I am to be with you. It's just a thing of joy for me. Babe, now why I just decide to make I credit you. One moment, she go reach what they call financial orgasm. Type Knack Fellowship on YouTube to watch the full video.